Hello. How are you today?
Good.
Good, yeah? Having a good day at work today?
Yeah.
At the zoo? Right.
My Lego man.
Well, your break is finished. So I've come to ask you if you've finished all your work. Okay?
I have.
Okay. Have you pushed the monkeys on the swing?
Yes.
Right. Have you put the giraffes in the trees?
Yes.
Have you given the shark a cuddle?
Yes.
Good. And have you brushed the elephant's teeth?
No.
You haven't?
No.
Right, you better do that this afternoon.
Okay.
The toothbrush is in there
Okay.
and the toothpaste is in there. Okay?
We've run out of toothpaste.
Have we?
Uh-huh.
Oh no, quick, get the toothbrush out. We'll have to make some toothpaste. There's the toothbrush.
I bought it.
You bought that, but there's no toothpaste.
It's humongous.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
The toothpaste is finished. So we have to go and get some, we have to go and make some more. Let's go and make some more. Hello everyone and welcome to Homemade Science with Professor Arwen. Now today we have been helping at the zoo. The people at the zoo told us that there was no toothpaste for the elephants. We told the people at the zoo we would help them by making some toothpaste for the elephants. So we're going to do that. Now, before I start, it's not real toothpaste. So you can't put this in your mouth. That's bad. That would be bad. It would make you sick. Oh, it would be bad. So, to make elephant's toothpaste, we need 3 tablespoons of warm water. We're going to mix in 1 tablespoon yeast. Yeast. So, no, we're not pouring that in there. We're mixing this. Right, so,
Take a spoon.
yeah, nice and slowly. Hold it
Okay.
down like that so you don't spill it. That's it. And hold. Right, so you're going to do 1, 2, 3, and 1 last one, because we don't have a tablespoon. We've got spatula. That's about a tablespoon. Right, and then mix it up. You need to stir it, okay? You need to stir and stir and stir and stir and stir and stir and stir. We need to stir it for 30 seconds.
You mix it now.
Next, we need some hydrogen peroxide. H2O, hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide.
Okay.
And we need 120 millilitres.
That in. Can I put some of it
Yeah, hold that and hold the flask.
in? Okay. When are we going to pour it? Are we going to pour this into that?
In a bit, in a bit. Next,
Yes.
we need some washing liquid. Right, not too. Whoa, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's a lot.
Can you mix it?
Right, let's see how our yeast is doing. Yeah.
When are we going to
Soon.
do that?
Right, and the last thing we're going to do is we're going to put some drops of food colour into the cup.
Okay.
Right. You got that? Don't do anything with it just yet, okay? Just hold it. Don't do anything with it just yet. Just wait.
Okay.
Right. Put it down the side. Don't squeeze it all in. Don't squeeze it all. Okay? Right. Now, you ready? Right. So, now we're going to mix the hydrogen peroxide and yeast together.
Okay. I'll pour it.
All of it. Oh! Look at all of that!
Wow.
Touch it.
No. Can you see the steam coming off the top?
Yeah.
That's because this produces heat. So this chemical reaction produces heat. This is hot.
More.
If you do that, can you feel? Don't touch it. But get close to it. Can you feel how? Can you feel it being warm?
Mhm.
Can feel it being warm. Now, this is called an exothermic reaction, I think. Are you ready to go and help the people at the zoo? Yeah? Right. You take the toothbrush.
Okay.
I'll take the toothpaste. Let's go and
Come on, Mummy.
brush an elephant's teeth.
Mummy,
Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.